Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Daddy the Guitarist, singer, songwriter and a composer. Today I'm going to show you how to play Angelike by John Zenze solo. Alright, first things first, play the key of A sharp. But now I want you to play the key of A sharp in fret number 8, 9, 10 and 11. So your main note is located on the 9th fret, 2nd string, and 11th fret, 5th string. Okay, so this is the shape I want you to play for me. Take your first finger, place it on the 8th fret, play it like that. Take your second finger, place it on the 9th fret, 2nd string. Take your third finger, place it on the 10th fret, 4th string. Take your pinky finger, place it on the 11th fret, 5th string, and then play it like that. Play the bottom 4 strings, the bottom 4 strings, from string number 5 to string number 2. That is step number 1. Alright, that is step number 1. So this is the progression. Step number 2, I want you to play the key of D sharp or the key of C sharp, the key of D sharp. Take your first finger, place it on the 9th fret, play first string and 2nd string. Take your second finger, place it on the 10th fret, 3rd string. Take your third finger, place it on the 4th string, 11th fret. Repeat this step and play the key of E sharp with this step. Alright, fret number 11, 12, 13. Just repeat what you did here, repeat it here. Have you gotten that one? So this is the progression. So that is step number 1. Let us go to the next step. That is the progression. Alright. Okay, now the next step, this is what we do. Now that was rhythmic, the progression for the rhythm. Now I want to show you how we are going to progress using the solo before we start the main tutorial. Okay, so from here you have that shape, you have that shape, you have that shape, and you have this shape. Alright, I want you to also see my picking hand. So from here I want you to take your first finger and place it on the 9th fret, 1st string. Take your second finger, place it on the 10th fret, 2nd string, and play those 2 notes like that. I want you to now take your first finger, place it on the 10th fret, 1st string. Take your second finger, place it on the 11th fret, 2nd string. Pick. I want you to take your first finger, place it on the 11th fret, 1st string. Take your second finger, place it on the 13th fret, 2nd string. Alright, I want you to take your first finger, place it on the 13th fret, 1st string. I want you to take your second finger, place it on the 14th fret, 2nd string. So with that all said, I want you to go backwards with the same progression I've showed you. And then take your first finger, pick string number 3. Take your third finger, pick string number 4, and then you are back to your shape. Alright. I'm just teaching you according to the song, according to this song. Alright, so let us just stick to that song. If it were if it were not for that song, tungeendelea, we could have continued. Alright, but since it's Angelike, we stop here and then we go. Alright, okay, so you've learned that one. Now the next step, after arriving here or after reaching here, I want us to continue with the progression. Alright, so I want you to play a 1 chord progression in the fret number 13. Okay, let me do this in the next part. So I want us to continue with this progression. Come and play a 1 chord progression in 11th fret, in 13th fret, like that. All right. I want you to repeat this shape. You see this kind of shape. This kind of shape. So I want you to repeat it here. Take a second finger, place it on the second string, 14th fret. Take your third finger, place it on the 4th fret, 15th fret, 4th string. So you have, and then again, so step 1, step 2, step 3, and then step 4, I want you to repeat this shape in fret number 15, 16, and 17. Just move to fret number 15, 16, and 17 like that. We are done. Just go back and release. So we have, right, we have, so that is what you are going to use to play Angelike. Have you gotten it? So don't get lost. So we stop from there. We stop it there. Okay? But for you to finish that progression, you just come and finish it with a 1. Or you can just come and finish it with the whole shape, but with a 1. So we have, and then we have, are we together? And then we have, all right, are we together? So now let us begin Angelike.